Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set a custom ringtone on iPhone. Open your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, select Ringtone. At the top of the ringtone list, tap on Tone Store to access the iTunes Store. Browse or search for the ringtone you want to purchase. Once you find a ringtone you like, tap on it for more details, then tap on the price button to buy it. The ringtone will automatically download to your device after purchase. After the download is complete, go back to the ringtone settings. Your new ringtone should now appear at the top of the list. Tap on your new ringtone to select it as your default. If you want to set a custom audio file as a ringtone, you must first create it in GarageBand. Open the GarageBand app on your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon to create a new project. Select Audio Recorder and then tap on the Tracks button. Press the plus button again and choose Import to bring in your audio file. Adjust the length of the audio file if needed, ensuring it is no longer than 30 seconds. Tap on the down arrow icon in the top left corner, then select My Songs to save your project. Press and hold your project until a menu appears, then choose Share. Tap on Ringtone and give your ringtone a name. Finally, tap Export and select Use Sound As to set it as your ringtone. Your custom ringtone is now set and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.